पणजेच्या पीपल्स हायस्कुलाक अंदू 80 वर्सां पुराय जातात। 9 डिसेंबर 1936 सालान स्कुलाची सुरवात जाल्ली। 80 वर्सांचो सुवाळो 9 डिसेंबराच्या पूर्वसंध्येर म्हळ्यार 8 डिसेंबराक सांजेच्या 6 वरांचेर कला अकादमीत जातलो। ह्या सुवाळ्याक पर्यावरण मोगी मेधा पाटकर आनी हेर मानेस हाजीर आसतले। आर्टेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
We start our 80th year celebrations from on the eve of our founding day. The founding day, the school was founded in 1936 on 9th of December. And this year we are going to start our celebrations on the eve, that is the 8th of December at 6 o'clock with celebrations at the Kala Academy. And of course we would send you all an invite, but the reason why we are here is to tell you what the program is going to be, and we would like all of you through your medium to spread the word, because we have almost around 10 to 12,000 students from the peoples who have graduated and are in Panjim, so they can probably be notified through your news. So as I said, the celebrations will start at 6 o'clock, and we have been very lucky that we have the two most prominent personalities from this country who will be our chief guest and guest of honor. The first person is Tavleen Singh. She's most of you being journalists and writers would know that Tavleen Singh is the senior most writer and journalist in India. She was writing profoundly for India Today, and subsequently now she writes a column for the Indian Express. Her entire career she has written a lot of novels on the political scenes in India. Darbar being the latest, and India's Trusted Destiny, which is also one of the most sought after political novels that she has written. It's actually a political commentary. So we are very fortunate that she has consented to be with us on that evening. And the chief guest for the function is social activist Medha Patkar. And you are all aware about Medha Patkar and her social activism for the Adivasis, homeless people in the country. She is very busy. She's got a lot of Supreme Court cases, but she has agreed because of the institute that can be celebrating her 80 years. She has decided to come only for a day.